Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a GIF in Photoshop. First of all, I have a face on the timeline. So if I hide this first layer, you can see it is blinking its right eye. If I hide the second layer, it's blinking its left eye. It has both eyes closed. To make an animation or a GIF, what I will do, I will go to window on the top and select timeline. From here, I will click on this hamburger menu, and then I will click on make frames from layers. As you can see, all of my 4 layers are now there. If I click on spacebar to play this animation, as you can see, it is now playing. What I will do, I will set the timer to 0.2 seconds of each layer. I will select 0.2. Now if I click on play, now it is slow. As you can see, now it is playing only once. I will set it from once to forever. As you can see, it will play for now forever. So then to make a GIF from it, what I will do, I will go to file, go to export and save for web. Then I have to click on save. I will choose a path and I will click on save. Once saved, I will go to my path. Here is my GIF. If I click on play, as you can see, I have successfully created a GIF in Photoshop. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.